Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your currency in QuickBooks Online. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your QuickBooks account. Alright, so once you're done, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. So just simply click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. That's right, and then just simply click on the account and settings. Okay, so right here you have the company, usage, sales, expenses, and advance. So just tap on the advance option. Then right here, just have to scroll down all the way here and you'll be able to see here now your currency. So to change it, just simply click on the edit option. And then here, just have to select your currency. For example, we are going to use this currency. After that, click on the save option. Okay, so once you're done, just have to click on the done option that you have here at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.